Yeah.
Eating good food. Drinking good beer.
One too many, maybe. Yeah, the cockroaches.
Look how big they are.
Cockroaches are. These guys look really good right here. You know, black scorpion. How much is it for a scorpion? It's 20 baht per scorpion.
How about what are these?
Seaworm.
And those? Bamboo worm.
Bamboo worm.
What are these? Grasshopper.
Is this a scorpion right here?
That's for the scorpion.
You gotta marinate on this? You eat everything.
Give me a...
You wanna try a piece? Here, this one's for you, here, buddy. Here. You can try the claw. Here you go.
Really good, huh?
The whole thing, right?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Nice! That's not bad, actually, you know what? Want another one? It's like a prawn. They're like they're shrimp. It's like eating the shrimp without any meat in it. Oh, Oliver, thank you very much for sharing the car. No, there it is. Finished. Scorpion's finished. You know, chilies, crabs.
John just ate a scorpion.
Yeah, but
unbelievable.
Finished.
Like, this is unbelievable. He ate a scorpion. You're not paying attention to me. Listen, John ate a scorpion. He's vegetarian, plus it's a scorpion.
Scorpions are well known to be a part of the major vegetarian food groups. Scorpions are considered to be a root plant by some, by many.
A root plant.
It's a root plant.